celebrating women. Yes, man, women in every sector of society.
Couple weeks back, both the PNP and the JLP went to court. One wanting to get Portmore to be a parish, and the PNP wanting to stop it. So I don't know, but both of them turn out and say them win. So I guess a win is a win. Me no understand what a win is. But I lived in Portmore for almost 30 years. Yeah, I live in Portmore. And Portmore, PNP have this thing to say that Portmore is PNP country. But what the PNP fail to understand is that those persons who they gave houses as political, um, what you call it now, alignment, many of those persons have died out. So it is now the younger generation, the children and the grandchildren who are now occupying those houses. So Portmore is no longer a PNP country. And Markland went very close in winning the municipal. And I tell you why. Markland just go into representational politics. And I know Markland, both of us live in Portmore for many, many years. Whilst Markland was at, I think, RJR, or whilst Markland was on the radio, not into politics. Every PTA meeting you go, Markland is there. Every funeral you go, Markland is there. Sports day you go, Markland is there. Graduation you go, Markland is there. Markland is the belly of Portmore. Nobody knew if he was PNP, JLP, NDM or what. But Markland, when we go at Junk Supermarket, every time we go at Junk Supermarket, Markland is there. Markland is Portmore. Portmore is Markland, and Markland is for the people. He went into politics the other day, and it is no different. What I would like to see Markland in a position that he can continue to represent the people in a holistic way. And many of you are going to say, oh, Markland running a politics. Yes, it's politicians like these we want who turn up and show up. Because one of the thing of being mayor, for Portmore, it would appear as if once you're mayor, you get a house everywhere, So let's say I am the mayor for Portmore. Every time a house built somewhere, I get one, So if that is the case, you can imagine how much houses I would have as a mayor. Yeah. So we don't want Portmore to be no PNP country or no JLP country. We want Portmore to be the people's place. Because Portmore people run Jamaica, Portmore people run St. Catherine, Portmore people pay the dearest water, the more for light, the more for food. Well, which part me live here so now, we are pay the most for food. But I want to see Markland in a position that Markland continue to be the voice for the children, continue to be the voice for our women, continue to be the voice for the people of Jamaica. Yeah, no diet politics or no diet nothing. Somebody who is on the ground representing the people. So, Mr. Andrew Holness, I believe that if you're a man of vision, or if you are looking out for the welfare of the people, Markland Action Edwards is a good choice. Yeah? And everybody in a Portmore can attest to that. Because as me say, 30 years. The last time Markland and I meet was in Gregory Park. We meet at the funeral at Gregory Park for that lady who died. Remember me tell the lady who died at Gregory Park and our picnic them search and find me and say me must have to come at the funeral because their mother left it say when time then she dead. Me must have to come and then hunt and find me. That was the last time I saw Markland at that lady's funeral in Gregory Park. That is Markland. So I don't know if Markland a politician, but I know that Markland is a people for the people person. Put him in a position that he can continue to lead. Yeah.